And also, if you're new here, subscribe at Beccollins Ciana. Can give us that support. Thank you for joining my live. The two who are watching, thank you so much. Kindly place your vote. Your votes help me to know how my videos, my channel is, how my channel is in general. Speak your mind, whether it's good or bad, or you're not sure, just click on whichever is easier for you. How best you rate me, or how bad you rate me, it's okay. I'll appreciate the results because they will help me know how my channel is. So, wow, this is how they look. So I want us to rinse this as we wash our sink. Let us wash our sink. Kindly double tap the screen to like the live. I'm washing my sink before I can continue because of the smell. You know, they do have a bad smell. So I'm rinsing the sink before I can continue with my cooking. I'm trying to avoid the bad breath. Just like that. So here they are. I want us to boil them. So we rinse these two. So for us, we want them to be soft. Double tap the screen to like the live. For those who love sardine, this is how I cook them here in Kenya. And it's a very special delicacy here in Kenya. It's a delicacy, so I'm gonna add hot water like this. So we're letting it to boil. Once I add the water like this, I want it to boil. I want it to boil. So let me show you how we do. You place like that. Switch it on like that. This is high heat. Shika. We cover it. We let it boil like that. You're drinking your water. So I will show you how it's boiling and why. We like boiling them to make them softer, to make them more soft. We like them. They won't break, but they will be soft. So since I'm done with this, let me rinse it. For you watching, thank you so much. Kindly double tap the screen to like the live. How are you? How are you doing?